China, Russia, and allied nations are signaling a unified stance in support of Venezuela. They are openly challenging US interventionist policies while advocating for sovereignty and multilateralism. At the 80th United Nations General Assembly, Chinese Premier Li Qiang warned against the return of Cold War mentality. He also criticized the rise of unilateralism in global affairs.
The world is currently entering a new period of turbulence and change. Unilateralism and Cold War mentality are making a comeback. The international rules-based order that has lasted for 8 decades has been severely impacted. The once effective international system has been repeatedly undermined. The resulting chaos is heartbreaking and worrying.
Li stressed the importance of cooperation and global economic inclusion. He urged countries to seek to achieve win-win outcomes through political cooperation. Russian Foreign Minister Sergey Lavrov criticized US interventions in the Caribbean. He warned of foreign military threats and manipulations under the guise of fighting crime.
The situation indeed is very serious. There are significant naval forces situated there, including a nuclear submarine, and we hear direct threats of military intervention in order to destroy drug cartels, to fight drug trafficking on the whole. I was told one thing today that did not cross my mind before, but during these very days, the Security Council, what's being done there together with Panama, the US colleagues are pushing through a resolution on establish an international force to ensure security in Haiti, international forces to fight banditism.
Venezuelan Foreign Minister Ivan Gil condemned repeated US aggression. He highlighted the human and economic toll of Western sanctions and destabilization.
The aggressions against Venezuela in recent years are countless. Destabilization actions and conspiracies, including an assassination attempt with drones. The economic war, whose most cruel expression is the 1,042 sanctions criminally applied against our oil industry and the nation's productive sectors, as well as several mercenary incursions.
Lavrov also advocated UN Security Council reform to empower the Global South. He emphasized fair representation for Brazil, India, and Africa.
The application of Brazil and India for permanent seats on the Council, while at the same time correcting the historical injustice towards Africa within the parameters that have been agreed by the countries of the continent themselves.
Together, China, Russia, and Venezuela are uniting to push back against Trump's America. They are standing firm to expose US hypocrisy, defend sovereignty, and challenge decades of Western dominance.